One of the questions that we get at 21st Century on a regular basis is, what tractor do I need? We're going to dive into all these tractors that are behind me, from small to large, as well as cover some of the most popular attachments for compact utility tractors. This is one of our John Deere 3E family of tractors. They're available in 25 horsepower, 32 horsepower, and 38 horsepower. These are ideal for the larger property owner. If you have rougher terrain, the big tires that come on this chassis really make a difference in stability, as well as, because it's a larger tractor, it picks up more weight with the loader as well as with the 3-point. Bigger jobs require a bigger tractor. This tractor is a 1025R TLB. That stands for Tractor Loader Backhoe, and this is what it's all about. This backhoe attachment is built by John Deere specifically for our one family of tractors, and it is factory assembled. In addition, it does have a 3-point that comes on here when we take the backhoe off if you need to do that. This tractor, lots of versatility, as well as the ability to dig deep, whether it's repairing water and sprinkler lines or putting in electrical lines around your property. The TLB gets it done. This 1025R is equipped with a PTO auger drive. This auger drive is perfect for setting fences and gates around your property. As you know, here in the western United States, when the ground is dry, it can be really hard. It sure beats a shovel any day of the week. This 1025R is equipped with our factory installed heated cab. The perfect way to stay warm, whether you're in Colorado, Wyoming, or Nebraska. Boy, we all get snow and want to keep that cold off the back of our necks. The windshield swings out to help keep you cool in the summer times, as well as these doors pop off, again, just for that mowing operation, whatever it is you're doing during the summer. But this one really shines when it comes to staying warm and moving snow all winter long. These tractors can also be equipped with a push blade right here on the loader, as well as a snowblower attachment on the front or on the back to maximize snow removal and staying warm all winter long. This is a 1025R, equipped with John Deere's 120R loader. This is a solid all-around tractor. This is the perfect tractor for smaller properties and general utility around larger properties. Able to pick up over 600 pounds with the front end loader. It has a fully functioning 540 RPM power takeoff on the back, as well as a 3-point hitch. All-around versatility can't be beat with this 1025R tractor. This tractor is ideal for the 2-acre to 10-acre property owner. No matter what the work needs to be done, with over 100 different attachments this tractor can be equipped with, it really is the multi-tool of the tractor lineup. This 1025R is equipped with our Frontier RC 4048 rotary cutter. Of course, the 1025Rs can be equipped with a regular mower deck for lawns and those types of surface, but when you have prairie and field grass that needs to be knocked down, nothing beats a rotary cutter. In addition, this unit has our iMatch, making it quick and easy to attach and detach this rotary cutter. This is part of our John Deere 2R family, including the 2025R, 2032R, and 2038R. These tractors give us our style features in a larger frame to meet each person's need. Whether it's steering brakes and a heavier duty hydrostatic transmission, additional work lights, tilt steering wheel, and upgraded seat are just some of the features that come on this larger 2R. Bigger jobs require bigger tractors, and this 2R gets the big jobs done. John Deere makes it simple to figure out what tractor is right for you, and 21st Century is here to walk beside you in that decision-making process. 1 Series are ideal for the smaller property owners, 23 and 25 horsepower. 2R tractors, 25, 32, 35 horsepower. They get into the larger properties, say starting at 5 acres and going up to 20. The 3E is an economy-minded model with lots of horsepower and lift capacity that covers a similar size range of the 5 to 35 acre property owner. That's a quick overview of the compact utility tractor line. Here at 21st Century, we would love to have you come in, meet with one of our sales professionals, let them answer questions for you, and most importantly, get in the seat of a tractor. Let's figure out what's right for you to get the work done you need to do every day.